Hey guys, this is how to change the content background color on one individual page or section in a Squarespace. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to your website. And now from here guys, first thing that you will do is just simply click on this over here, site styles. And after that, just simply go to the colors. And from here, just simply select the color template that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go for this one. And after that, I'm just going to click on save on the top left corner of the screen. So now guys, from here, just simply select a section that you want to change the color with. So let's say I'm going to go for this section. And as you can see, you should be able to see here, edit section on the right side. So just simply click on that. And after that, you should be able to see here background. So from here, guys, you can upload an image, video, or art as your background. So pretty much it will be depending on you. Or you can just simply go for the colors over here. And as you can see, guys, you should be able to see here multiple colors based on your template that you provided. And from here, you should be able to change your color individually on each section. And there you go. See ya.